All my life I wanted to be a farmer or a veterinarian or both. I've always loved animals and I've always had animals, but I needed something that I could, on a day-to-day basis, move around, feed, and care for. Even if I needed to load one up and take it to the vet, I could do it myself. And so when I found the Kunekune pig, it was just the perfect livestock for me. There we go. So the Kunekunes are from New Zealand. They lived with the native people there. They weren't locked up. They were a grass-fed pig that they used for meat. And we think one of the reasons that they are as friendly as they are is because they were never locked up. They just lived with the family. The Kunekune pig is an all-purpose pig. You can use it as a companion, as a pet. You can raise them to promote the heritage hog and sell the best as breeders, which is what I do. The ones that you don't sell because they don't meet the breed standard, those you can cull and you can use them for food for your family. Well, I'm always happy when the grandkids are here because they're a tremendous help to me. They not only can feed them and water them, but they give them lots of attention, which they love. One of the important things of being a grandmother is sharing with your grandchildren. And to me, sharing is teaching them about the wildlife, the woods, the livestock that sustains them. They have no fear. They understand exactly where their food comes from. And I just can't even imagine having grandchildren without being able to teach them what sustains them. Once I got the Kunekune pig, I wanted to be able to share my love of the pig with other people, which has led me to programs like Arkansas Grown, where other people are sharing their love and expertise for what they love and what they do, whether it's producing vegetables or fruit or sunflower oil, anything that you can do to sustain your family and the people in Arkansas.